seconds. Isn't it awesome?
Wow, guys, it's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
Look at it.
Oh,
That was the forecast, you know.
oh, it's just like it hits.
Oh, wow.
Look at it, y'all.
Good Lord.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that. Look at the.
Holy shit. Oh, my God.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Look at it.
Amazing. Looks like that scene from Eclipse.
Oh, man. Holy crap.
Isn't it cool, y'all?
Oh, my God.
Oh, the lights came on.
Oh, look, the lights are coming on down there.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, how cool. And over there.
yeah.
It's almost completely dark.
And if it wasn't so cloudy, you could see some stars, maybe.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be able to.
Oh my.
We're able to see so far. That's the edge of it right there.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Back a little bit. It's like that.
Oh my gosh, y'all, it's dark.
You don't get this at home sitting on the sofa.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, Tommy, look.
Yeah.
He's got his flashlight.
Very well.
Push that light out, Jerry.
It is out.
Oh, you can see them down there?
The flashes
Yeah.
feel
Oh, that's hilarious.
their camera flashes.
Oh, yeah, you can. You can see the camera flashes from way across the way.
The light, the security lights go on.
Yeah.
There's another one right there.
Look at that.
Oh, that's
Oh,
awesome.
that is cool. Did you bring the Eclipse eclairs? We forgot the Eclipse eclairs.
Oh, yeah, we did, didn't we? Dang.
Did.
Dang.
I'm sorry.
Oh, well. But we didn't really see one, so we'll take it for the next. We'll just put them in the freezer and.
It's starting to get
7 years
light
from
again,
now.
y'all.
No,
Yes, it is.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. I want to see about what kind of picture I can get.
No, this is it. Wow. I thought it would be completely dark. I'm surprised.
It's pretty dark.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
amazed.
You have to think that far off in the
Corona's
distance, it
still-
isn't a full eclipse.
Yeah.
light, right? So there's light shining over that way.
we get some reflection.
It is brightening a little bit.
But still,
That is insane.
I'm so glad we came.
Yes.
Even with the clouds. Look at the clouds, the dark, right through there.
Probably a thunderstorm out that way.
Yeah, it could have been a thunderstorm.
Right there. Sucks because you can see you can see it there, so it's not cloudy that way.
Yeah, yeah. Golly.
Yeah.
Wow. Fireworks?
Why not, right?
People don't need any reason to do fireworks.
Clear all the way around us.
We found the one cloud. We're really chasing the cloud, not the eclipse.
That's it.
Yeah.
Somebody's turned
Exactly.
the lights back on. Look at that.
Time to get up.
Oh, look at that. Awesome.
That's beautiful. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
It's like sunrise.
Yeah.
Quick fun.
Yeah, it is so fast.
Worth it. How many miles did you come?
500 or 600.
Good Lord.
Guess how many we came?
How many?
5.
Well,
From the
kind of.
Kind of. Place at the bottom of this mountain.
Who came the furthest?
I don't know. We came from South Florida.
That's pretty darn far.
We met in the middle, I think.
Yeah.
Houston.
Where?
Bend.
Houston, that's pretty far, yeah.
Wisconsin. You came from Wisconsin?
19 years ago.
Oh,
Oh, amazing.
That was awesome.
Look how fast that. Yeah, that happened quick.
Because it was worth it.